Hi, dear friends. Tax savings options for assessment year 2024-25 have been closed on 31st March of 2024, which means now you cannot make a fresh investment or expenditure for claiming any exemptions or deductions. लेकिन आज मैं आपको ऐसे हिडन टैक्स सेविंग्स ऑप्शन बताऊंगा जिनमें बिना कोई एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेस्टमेंट किए हुए एक्सपेंडिचर किए हुए आपको टैक्स की सेविंग हो जाएगी. लेट अस स्टार्ट. इफ यू हैव परचेस्ड और कंस्ट्रक्टेड a residential house by taking housing loan, by becoming a member of cooperative society or under self financing scheme, and you are making the payment of principal amount, part amount, installment or EMI, then you will be knowing that on the interest you can get deduction under section 24B. But do you know you can claim deduction on the principal amount repayment under section 80C within the overall limit of rupees 1,50,000. नहीं लिया है लोन हाउस परचेस करने के लिए और कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए, तब भी आपको मिल सकता है डिडक्शन इफ यू पेड द स्टाम्प ड्यूटी और रजिस्ट्रेशन फी फॉर registration of the residential house. You can claim the deduction under section 80C again within the overall limit of rupees 1,50,000. Next, if your children are going for the education, then on the tuition fee you can claim deduction up to rupees 1,50,000 under section 80C. One more option for the higher education. If you are taken the loan for higher education from the prescribed institutions and you started paying the interest on the loan may be for yourself, for your education, for your children's educations, for your spouse education, or for a student for whom you are legal guardian. Then you already paid the interest. You can claim the deduction under section 80E without any limit. ट्यूशन फी आपने पहले पेमेंट कर दिया है, हायर एजुकेशन लोन का इंटरेस्ट का पेमेंट कर दिया है, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं कि आपको डिडक्शन मिल सकता है. 3 more hidden tax saving options. You may have already incurred the expenses on medicines, on health insurance for yourself, your family members, and your parents. Under section 80D, you can claim deduction up to rupees 1 lakh. If you are taking care of dependent with disability and you have incurred the expenditure on medical training or rehabilitation, you can claim deduction up to rupees 75,000 in respect of such expenditure. और यदि गंभीर डिसेबिलिटी है तो आपको रुपीज 1,25,000 तक का डिडक्शन मिल जाएगा. इसके अलावा इफ यू incurred expenditure on the medical treatment of prescribed illnesses on yourself or your dependent, then you can claim deduction up to rupees 40,000. And in case there is a senior citizen, the deduction claim can be claimed up to rupees 1 lakh. But keep 2 things in mind. The above deductions which you have discussed are only allowable under the old tax regime. You have to also remember that these deductions are subject to conditions prescribed under the relevant provisions. हमारे चैनल को देखते रहिए, और भी ऐसे वीडियो हम लेके आएंगे और आपके टैक्स सेविंग्स बढ़ाएंगे. थैंक यू.